All right, what is going on? Special video for you all. We're gonna do an automatic park. All right, so when you notice the P pop up, go ahead and click it, shift to reverse, and just go ahead and hit start. Now, using the camera system, the car should align itself in the parking spot that it's selected. So let's see what it does. It's gonna try to straighten itself out a little bit. And now it should go back into reverse and line itself up right in between the two lines here. Let's see how it does. All right, not bad. And just like that, a little quick alignment and a little more steering wheel action, and just like that, auto park complete. And it does even apply the emergency brake for you, for if you're not aware. Actually, to put it in park, you just hit P by selecting it down, but to put the emergency brake on, you actually hold P down, and then notice how you get this red P saying the emergency brake has been applied. Now, my car does have ultrasonic sensors, so I'm guessing that was used to accomplish the auto park, since the newer models without the sensors are still lacking this ability for some reason, but it works really well. I'd like to see them add that moving forward with version 12, hopefully. But yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.